you don't really notice supply chains unless there's a problem with them. There's a problem with digital video. You can't really get good quality digital video on demand online yet. And so people are still playing around with video cassettes and DVDs. YouTube is sort of a vision of the future, but that's pretty low quality at the moment. But very, very soon you will be able to get high quality digital video on demand online. And when that happens, all the issues of the supply will kind of disappear. The people who do it will know what's happening, but everybody else will find it invisible. And once the supply chain starts working like that, you can play all sorts of fun and games with it. I've just bought this product in an electronics store. It has a brand name on it, it has a drawing of the product. But the people who have the brand name probably don't earn much beyond the brand name and a bank balance. All of the electronic design, all of the components, the assembly was probably done by other people, and those people could be spread out all over the world. They could be doing the same. They could be doing the same assembly of the product in different countries. You don't really know. This could be done anywhere in the world. Once the supply chain works, you can swap things in and out. You can make things differently. You can make them anywhere in the world. This kind of fun and games with supply chains is something that the big brand name owners are doing now. And the question we've got is, maybe we can do the same kind of thing. Maybe we can have fun and games with supply chains. You only really notice supply chains when there's a problem with them. We still don't really have a perfect system for delivering video online, on demand. And because of this, people are still playing around with cumbersome things like video cassettes and DVDs. YouTube is kind of a vision of the future where things are going to go, but that's still pretty low quality. And that's because of the restrictions of the computing on the video supply chain. But pretty soon in the future, you're going to be able to see anything that you want online in really high quality video. And when that happens, the supply chain will disappear for all the consumers. The people who supply it will still know it's there, but for consumers, they'll forget about it completely. And once the supply chain's working like that, you can play all sorts of fun and games. I just bought this in this electronics store. It's got a brand, there's a product, but the people who own the brand probably don't own much more than the brand and the bank balance. All the design of the product, the manufacture of the components, the assembly, those could be done by any company, anywhere in the world. And somebody put together that supply chain, and the people who put together that supply chain probably weren't the people who owned the brand. And the question we're asking ourselves is, if companies like this can play games with the supply chain, why can't we? Why can't we do interesting things with the supply chain?